Hello dear students, welcome to Anada's English class. Today I have picked up a very important topic for you, voice. Voice means the way of speaking the sentence which shows what is important, the doer or the action. If the doer means the person who is doing the work is important, then active voice is used, and if the action is important, then passive voice is used. So let us start our voice. So students, I will show you three charts to learn active and passive voice. First of all, we must remember that there is no change in tenses while changing active voice into passive one. So here is chart 1. When there is do or does with first form of verb in active voice, then we will use is or are or am in passive voice. And if there is, are or am, then we simply add being with it. And if there is has or have, then we will add been. With did or second form of the verb, we add was or were. And if there is was or were, we add being with it. And if there is had, we add been. And if there is will or shall, we add be. And if there is will or shall have, then we add been with it. And we must remember, with all these tenses, we add third form of the verb in passive voice. So this is your chart 1. Now we come to chart 2. Here is your chart 2. In active voice, if there is he, it changes into by him. She changes into by her. We changes into by us. I changes into by me. They changes into by them. And if there is it or you or name of any person, place or thing, it will remain as it is and we add by with it. And in third chart, and the most important, we must know when we frame a sentence, there are elements of sentence. First is subject, second is helping verb, third is verb, and fourth is object. So when we change this active sentence, active voice into passive voice, we drag this object on number first. Yani ki our object becomes our subject. And our subject, which was in the first place, comes to the last place. Means our subject becomes our object. And helping verb and verb will be changed accordingly, chart 1. So I will give you a few examples to learn the voice. So here is first sentence. He is writing a letter. So according to our third chart, I told first one will come into last and last one will come on the first place. So what is here in the last place? A letter. We will drag it into first place, a letter. And in the last he according to our second chart, see here, he changes into by him. So in the last will come by him, a letter by him. And what about these verbs? There is no change in tenses. So is will remain is. Writing, I told you in the first chart, is, are, am changes into is or are or am plus being. So it become is being, third form of the verb, written. So our whole sentence change into a letter is being written by him. Now come to second sentence. You have helped him. Drag him in the first place. Him will change into he. Drag you into last place. It will become by you. And what will about these verbs? Have. Here have changes into has, because we have to take care that the subject is singular or the plural. When we used here you, we use have with you, but when we use he, we use has with he. So it becomes he has been helped by you. Now come to third sentence. He draws a picture. Here I told you there are 4 parts: subject, helping verb, verb and object. But here is no helping verb. Then what? So see here chart 1. Here I told you if there is do or does or first form of the verb or did or second form of the verb, we will consider which form of the verb here is given. Here is draws. This is the first form of the verb. When there is first form of the verb, then we use is or are or am. So we will drag a picture. In the first place, our picture is a singular, so here we use is. A picture is drawn. He changes into by him. So our sentence becomes a picture is drawn by him. Here is our next sentence. She drank tea. Tea is in the last. We drag it into first place. Tea. She is in the first place. We drag it into last place and it becomes by her. Drank. Drank again. Check the form of the verb. It is second form of the verb. And when there is second form of the verb, we use was, were with third form of the verb. So here it becomes tea was drunk by her. So students, by learning these 4 sentences carefully, you can learn all the rules of active and passive voice.